Hello, my friends. Welcome back. It's Monday. Bitcoin right now is on fire sale. The signal is flashing and everyone's just capitulating. So if you have Bitcoin and you want to sell, I think you have to watch this video right now because I'm going to show you a chart and three Bitcoin catalysts that could give us a move this week is lined up. So make sure to watch this whole video and yeah, let's get into the charts. So this is the famous rainbow chart. We are literally on fire sale right now. This is the bottom band of the rainbow chart. The last time this happened, friends, was in 2022 bottom and 2020, 2015. All of the cycles, the moment Bitcoin trades around accumulate and buy and fire sale zone on the bottom band of this rainbow chart is usually followed by a massive move to the upside and reversal. This is why now is not the time to sell. Now is the time to just keep on DCAing and hodling, because this is what the smart money is doing. And all the news, the capitulation, the liquidation, the war, it's all just tactics so that they could trigger your emotions and make you to sell at the bottom. And talking about FUD, we are getting a little bit of a hiccup on the Iran and US war. So there was a walkout of the Iranian delegation. Supposedly they were trying to negotiate and finally fix and end this, but there was a walkout, but we're not sure yet what happened. So just keep in mind, we might get another move down this week. But on the brighter side, this is what the smart money are looking at and the institutions. So the US Economic Surprise Index is now up to 63.2 points. What does this mean? It means that even though the interest rates are higher, the ISM services, the factory orders, ADP employment is stronger than expected, meaning the job data. This is a signal for risk on assets, boys. And I think this also reduces the fear of a recession. So that's why we are getting a little bit of a move up. So this is another catalyst, even though interest rates are still high, but jobs data is stronger. We're getting good numbers. US economy is good. So this is a signal for risk on assets. That's why stocks are still moving. And I know Bitcoin is a bit delayed, but it's just a moment. We just need more time probably because of this, the US Clarity Act. I think this is what everyone is probably waiting on, but the US Senate is finally going to finalize the Crypto Clarity Act. Now, once there's no more uncertainty, there's clear rules on this, I think that could be the bottom, and this could be the slingshot that we need for Bitcoin to go to 200K or even 300K on the following months or years. So this is happening this week, by the way. So, keep your eyes open. Make sure to mark your levels and listen to the news, because this will tell everything. Another bullish catalyst, boys, is this. Japan's National Business Corporate Pension Fund is going to allocate its 1% assets to cryptocurrencies. Now, it didn't say Bitcoin, it just said cryptocurrencies. So there might be a chance for altcoins, maybe Solana, Ethereum. This is a big move. This is a big catalyst because other countries and big institutions and governments and business corporate are finally entering the gate to risk on cryptocurrencies, risk on assets. Now, guys, not to remind you, but pension funds are the slowest type of investment, they literally take 20, 30, 40 years for it to mature, and now they're entering super rest on assets, which is cryptocurrencies. This is crazy. This is why I think smart money are buying this week, this month. Even Michael Saylor just posted yesterday that they are buying again this week, and we are now also entering the smart money buy zone. So what happened last cycle was the moment Bitcoin dipped and reached the previous all-time high, it basically turned it into support, and a lot of people would literally sell here, insta sell, or like they try to short the breakout to the downside, but that does not happen because smart money are slowly accumulating this area before they pump the asset to the other direction. That is what's happening right now. We are literally visiting the previous all-time high. So we might have another move down though before the move higher. So I'm thinking like 20-30% more just to hit some liquidity here. But this right now is in the DCA zone. Basically, the moment we are done with this, and I think we're gonna bottom around November or October. And then next year is going to be the move to the upside that we are all probably waiting. So boys, again, this is not the time to sell. All right, so we have Clarity Act, we have a lot of catalysts lined up, and just keep huddling. Make sure to subscribe, like the video so you don't miss any news and updates.